Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good morning. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Jamaica Bichayaw, 25 years old. I live in San Isidro, Laor, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Um, I have two children. One boy, 5 years old, and one girl, 1 year old and 6 months. I graduated vocational, 2 years college. My experience are uh, account officer last 2017 to 2019, catering staff last 2019 to 2020, and my father have a small canteen before. I help him to cooking, marketing, cleaning the canteen, and serving a food for the customer. And I work in Manila almost 2 years as a household. My main task is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, pet care, child care, and marketing, cooking. Um, I want to go work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family financially and give my children needs. Ma'am, sir, if you give me a chance to work with you as a helper, I'll do my best and I give my all loyalty and all of all the rules you told me I follow. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a good day.